guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to talk about a few points that you can do to promote your small business in order for you to get a lot of sales. If you are new on this channel, my name is Nima Nambe, and yes, I do a lot of good videos for you guys to watch. So if this is your first time seeing this face, please do the needful by subscribing and also giving this video a thumbs up. Let's get right into the video. So the first point that I want to talk about is the use of social media. You can use social media to promote your small business. Yes, social media, you can use your social media handles. You can use Facebook, Instagram, you can use TikTok, you can use YouTube. You can use a lot of social media to advertise your business product, to promote your small business in order for you to get a lot of sales. Another point that I'm going to mention right now is the use of magazine. Yes, especially those that are in school, in colleges, in the universities, you can pay for your business to be advertised on the school magazine. That is going to fetch you a lot of money. Imagine your business being on the front page of your school magazine, and a lot of the students are having it to look at it. Imagine the number of sales that you can make. Okay, so yes, and also there's another point, which is word of mouth. You advertising your business with your mouth, telling people about your business. Don't be shy. I know if you are shy, you cannot do this. You cannot advertise your business with your mouth. Okay, so you have to put shyness aside. Okay, so when you meet people, you tell them about your business. You tell them the importance of whatever product you are selling to them, or whatever service that you are rendering to people. Yes, you have to use words. You have to use yourself to talk to people one-on-one. Yes, and they will understand. And communication on this point is very important. Communication is very important. So if you are confident about your product, people are going to listen to you. Okay, but if you're shy and kind of don't know what you're talking about, people are not going to listen to you. They will think that you are selling fake product to them or something, so they won't even mind you. But the way you communicate to people will let them come to you to buy your product. Okay, your communication or presentation is very important. That's another way of promoting your business. And okay, another point is distributing your business card. If you are a small business owner, you have to make your business card. Okay, it's very important. Just let them produce a small business card for you, and then you keep on sharing to people. That's another way. Anytime you distribute that business card and it is with people, they can easily reach you. Okay, someone can just remember that, oh, this person gave me a cleaning service business card and I need some cleaning to be done in the office. Let me just contact them. It's very easy to get to you if you are sharing business card. So business card is another thing. Those are the 4 business tips. Okay, the 4 marketing tips, the 4 ways that you can do to promote your business. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. And if you want to see a lot more videos on this kind of topic, please comment below. And if this video was helpful, also comment below. Thank you for watching, and then see you in my next video. Bye.